how to find Coinomi wallet address, Coinomi wallet address 2025. Now, if you want to find your wallet address on Coinomi, you generally need a wallet address whenever you want to receive crypto to your Coinomi app. So all you have to do is first of all launch the Coinomi app. Then first tap the plus icon and add the coin that you want. So let's say you want to receive Bitcoin, tap on add coin and add Bitcoin right here. Now we have to copy the wallet address of Bitcoin. Now how wallet address works is that if you want to receive Bitcoin, you have to find your Bitcoin wallet address. If you want to receive Ethereum from someone, similarly Solana, you have to copy those respective wallet addresses. So if it's a Bitcoin wallet address, I can simply tap on Bitcoin. Now at the very top in the left hand side, you can see the option called receive. So just tap the receive button there, and this right here is my Bitcoin receiving wallet address. So I can simply copy this, the default one. This is my address. I can copy it. I can share the QR code with someone. Somebody can scan it and they can send the crypto to my Bitcoin wallet. That's all it takes for you to find your Coinomi wallet address. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.